Green-eyed and bright at 18, a face from mainstream, a walking daydream. They scream, sweet life of peaches and cream. No doubt I'm wishing it was me. Thigh highs and vintage mom jeans, a nighttime routine. I know I've seen this scene. Sweet life like on the big screen. No doubt I'm wishing it was me. I wanna put you on a pedestal, eat you like a cannibal. Maybe it's chemical, but I wanna keep you like a fucking collectible. How are you? How are you? And the way she moves is incredible. The glamorous spectacle, you know it's terrible. 'Cause I used to watch the world burn. Lately I'm watching her. Fresh faced and right for scandal, too hard to handle. When eyes will follow where you go at night, and it's by your side. Surprise, I'm wishing it was me. And if I see you at the movies, or you're in line to get some sushi, I hope I cross your mind as you pass me by. I hope you see me in your dreams. I wanna put you on a pedestal, eat you like a cannibal. Maybe it's chemical, but I wanna keep you like a fucking collectible. How are you? How are you? And the way she moves is incredible. The glamorous spectacle, you know it's terrible. 'Cause I used to watch the world burn. Lately I'm watching her. I can't stop watching forever. I'm watching forever. I'm watching turning heads that scream, get in my bed, eggshells and broken glass. You tread so lightly, I go blindly wherever footprints led. I wanna put you on a pedestal, eat you like a cannibal. Maybe it's chemical, but I wanna keep you like a fucking collectible. How